sa entrance ng Grand Canyon Park.
And the weather actually looks good.
Yep.
It looks like it's gonna rain a little bit, but not too bad.
Good morning! Welcome to my vlog again. And today we are now here at
Where?
National Grand Canyon Park. Ano ulit?
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon. Eh, may nakita ako may national.
Well, it's Grand Canyon National Park.
Oh, Grand
Not
Canyon.
National Grand Canyon Park.
Ulit nga.
Just Grand Canyon is fine.
Hello guys, good morning. Today we are here at Grand Canyon National Park. Tawa na din ako kasi kanina mali ako, so inulit ko na naman siya. So today, dito lang kayo magstay sa park. And at first, sabi ko, bakit dito lang kami talaga pupunta? Yun pala, sobrang laki pala ng park nito. But then, we're gonna go lang doon sa small portion daw ng park, which is pinaka main scenery ng Grand Canyon. And unfortunately, nag-snow kagabi and umuulan ngayon ng konti, but then it's fine. So, kahit malamig, tuloy pa din ang gala namin, and I hope it's gonna be fun. I hope it's gonna be fun. And sana hindi masyadong lumakas yung ulan. But then, tuloy ang gala. So, sana ma-tour ko kayo ulit again. Thank you guys sa mga nag-watch ng vlog ko. I'll see you later.
Hello.
Hail!
You said hello.
Hail! Oh, grabe! Diyos ko. Be careful of that.
We have to keep our hood up.
Dito na kami sa loob ng visitor center ng Grand Canyon, and grabe, sobrang lamig sa labas. Tignan niyo outfit ko, doble-doble. Yan. We're so kawawa. Kasi hindi kami prepared dito. Buti na lang dala ni Jason yung raincoat niya. And tong isang jacket niya to. Kaya buti nakatulong sa amin to. And then, nandito kami. Ayan yung map ng Grand Canyon. Sobrang laki niya. Yung blue na yun, nandun yun kung nasan kami ngayon. And then the rest of the line is park ng Grand Canyon. Kaya sobrang laki niya. So, pagkatapos nito, may pupuntahan kaming village, and sabi ni Jason, pwede na kami doon mag-lunch. And then, medyo may mga, ano din doon, pwede kaming puntahan, like, what is this? Viewpoints.
Things like that, and then there's like museums and.
Okay. So, maybe magstay kami na medyo matagal para din hindi kayo masyadong exposed sa labas. That's it.
What does it look like?
Great. Oh! Of course, maganda. Our style! Yay! Look at that, guys. Sobrang ganda. Talaga. Dito kami sa Blura at sasakay. Hopi House.
1905. Designed as living quarters for Hopi artisans and as a place to sell Hopi crafts and souvenirs.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Yep. Yeah.
Snow na, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayun yung itsura ng Hopi House
Yeah, it's cute.
sa labas. It's cute. Tapos yung ceiling niya, ang cute. Puro kahoy. Parang ganun, ano? Tapos ito naman yung labas ng hotel na kakainan namin. Maarte to si Jason dyan. Medyo mahal dito eh. Pero gusto daw niya itry. What is that, Lava? Navajo tacos. So, we're gonna try that. Historic daw tong hotel na to, sabi ni Jason dyan. Wow, looks different. Look at that. Nakakatawa guys kasi merong Pinoy dito na nagtatrabaho. Tapos yung isang lalaki tinanong ko about dun sa o-orderin ko. So sabi niya hindi niya daw alam yun kasi OJT lang siya. Tapos kumausap na naman ako ng isang babae na nag-work dito. Hindi din niya alam kung ano yun. Medyo nagtataka lang ako kasi usually pag nag-server ka sa isang restaurant, dapat may idea ka at least dun sa menu na. Pero, ewan ko lang. Medyo nakakatawa lang.
Stroganoff?
Wow, looks good. The server is so good.
This is the Navajo taco.
Wow.
And some house-made condiments. All right, you two.
Hey, grabe. Ang lakas ng snow, guys. So, punta na lang kami ng ng page. Yeah. May bus na. Wait for us. Ito yung bus kasi grabe dun sa kawalang kantayan. Sobrang punuan. Okay. Yes. Hello guys, nag-stop kami dito sa isa sa mga viewpoint. Pupunta kami ng desert park, parang ganon. Part pa din siya ng Grand Canyon. And look at this view. Diba? Sobrang ganda. This grand view. Grabe, mas maganda. We are now here at Tusayan Museum. Sila yung mga Native American or Indians na tumira dito before.
So we have two Son of Rain of the Salvation, and the forest we have here is called
Nandito kami ngayon ni Jason sa Desert View. And yun yung makikita ko. Pupunta kami dun sa may tower na yun. And I think pwede yata kaming tumaas
Yeah,
dun.
you can go up. I'm not sure if there is a line or what.
You can also get good view here. Sobrang lucky din pala na nag-drive kami papunta dito kasi habang humahapon nawala yung fog, and dito sa side na to hindi nag-snow. Pero malamig pa din. Tsaka sobrang hangin. Kaya di ako masyado makapag-vlog ng maayos kasi tinatamad ako ilabas yung kamay ko sa sobrang lamig. Ang ganda dito. Oh, wow. And then let's go outside. This one. Outside? Let's go inside. Tower. So, nandito na kami sa taas. And yung mga symbols na yan is mga ng ginawa ng Native Americans. Nandito kami sa loob ng gift shop. And ang gaganda ng mga tinda dito. Look at this. And I saw another cute thing here. This one, yung dream catcher. Parang, ayun o. Galing. Cool. Hello guys! Hello guys na naman. So, tapos na kami for our Grand Canyon today. And we're gonna go to Page for our next trip tomorrow. Pero hopefully, makapag gawa kami ng something there. Kasi medyo maaga pa. And then, so that's it. I mean, worth it naman yung pagpunta namin. Kahit doon sa may pinaka-main entrance nag-snow kanina tsaka nag-foggy. Pero nung pupunta kami dito sa may last point, naging okay naman yung weather. So we're so happy and thankful. Sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang worth it ng gastos, ng time, ng lahat. So, recommendable talaga yung place na to. So, I'll end this video na. Thank you guys for watching. Ilang days na lang at ilang vlogs na lang. Araw-araw yung vlogs ko, di ba? Pasensya naman po. Pero sana na-enjoy yung mga video ko. See you. Bye. Look at that.